Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Kiki, also known as Chris, and today I am doing a little bit of a vlog. It's just really something short. Here in Ecuador, we don't really have many fall decorations. They do have Halloween, but not really fall, if that makes any sense. So they actually celebrate their fall here in March, which I just now found out. But I wanted to show you guys, just in case anybody else needed some help, that there are things that you can get online on Pinterest. I know a lot of people know that. You can print them out and you can make your own little things, or you can use little things to kind of like tweak it up. So I wasn't able to get a lot and find a lot that would work for me, considering I have the baby and I don't want things to break, like glass and such. So I'm gonna show you what we did do with a little bit that we did get, and I hope this helps you. If you guys are interested, make sure that you keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first, I know this is like a quick random video. They don't have fall decorations in Ecuador, and I know that it's early, but we decided to, well, I decided to print a few things out that are different quotes and stuff, and I'm gonna actually hang these up and we're going to make our own fall decorations. So let's see how this goes. Okay guys, so what I did was I got some little printouts, and it's so simple to do. You just grab some quotes or whatever you want. I put 4 on each paper, and we're gonna go ahead, we have more under here, we're gonna go ahead and spread them out, add some string and stuff to it, and we're gonna do the same with this banner over here, which is just a tiny little banner that I'm going to use to do like a do-it-yourself kind of banner, since they don't do Thanksgiving here and fall decorations. I wanted to go ahead and make some of my own, so I will show you guys how it turns out. Okay, so what I did here was I took the little banner that was really little, and I went ahead and taped it to the fridge to give some sort of decoration there. I just need to flatten this out a little bit with some more tape, and I just used some regular tape, clear tape, to tape it onto the refrigerator, and I taped it to the higher level so that way the baby cannot get to it. So far so good. I think it looks cute. About the part where the baby can't reach it. Yeah, we just got to keep them away from it. We also got this little pumpkin thing that I'm going to turn into a banner also. I thought it was really cute. It has the bats, it has the pumpkin, and the witch's hat, and the mason jars. So we're going to go ahead and get some string and try to hang these up. Here's the little pumpkin banner hung up in our dining room. We are having Camille's birthday too, so we have these hooks so we can remove them if we need to add another banner for her birthday. So that one is up. You can find these on Pinterest and just print them out. Okay, so we went ahead and added this banner by printing these out and adding some clips. Thank you, Pinterest. And Louise cannot reach it because we put it high enough. So it turned out pretty cute. I like it. I think it looks really cute with the pins on there. And he can't reach it. Didn't show what they all said. Sow fields and plant vineyards and gather a fruitful harvest. Psalm 107:37. Then we have gather. Then we have be grateful. Grateful, thankful, blessed. Autumn, pumpkin, fall, harvest. Fall in the air. Life starts all over again. Okay, Elijah.
Life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. Scott.
And that is F. Fitzgerald. And then we have Hello, Fall. Sorry for the baby. Okay, so I just found this candle, which smells, it is cinnamon pecan swirl, but it smells like pumpkin spice. So I feel like I'm winning when it comes to this. It's really big. This was a $10 candle, and I am about to light up this baby, and I'm like really trying to make fall happen in Ecuador. Okay, so for the last thing, we got these little orange hanging instruments. And here is where the pumpkin thing is hanging up. And we got another one to hang here. And that is going to be it for now as far as fall. I have to decorate for my daughter's birthday in October, in a couple weeks actually. So I will show you guys when we decorate for her birthday. So we didn't want to put too much up as far as Halloween and stuff goes. Okay guys, so we found these leaves on Pinterest. I'm going to leave the link in the description. They're shiny and they printed out really pretty. And since I couldn't find any artificial leaves, I'm just going to use this to make one more banner and go ahead and cut these out and then show you what it looks like afterwards. Really wish that they celebrated more of a fall theme here, but unfortunately they don't. Guys, so this is how the banner turned out. I did use tape for this one because I lost my hook, so that's just temporary. But that's how it looks. And I think it turned out really cute. So I hope that you guys like it and that you're able to maybe use some of the links that I'm going to leave down below in the description.